Hello guys, in this video I will tell you about how to access data folder in Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G after Android 14 update. You should install two apps in your device. First is RS File Manager and second is IADB. Install these two apps from Play Store. Then go to Settings, then About Device, then Version and tap on version number continuously 4 times. And then developer option will be enabled, then settings, then go to additional settings, tap on developer option and enable USB debugging, and wireless debugging, and scroll down, disable permission monitoring, also on this option, and then open IADB app and then tap on pairing and then developer option, and then scroll down, tap on wireless debugging and then tap on pair with pairing code, enter pairing code and then done. Close apps, open IADB and then tap on start IADB. IADB is running. Ignore this message and then open RS File Manager. Then internal storage, Android, data. You can access your data folder easily. Access. Also OBB folder can be accessed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share our channel and support us.